Hey there, fitness champions! Welcome to today's video where we're diving into the exciting world of transforming your park gym into the ultimate space for physical education and sports. I am Sergio Hernandez from AAA State of Play, and I can't wait to share some game-changing tips and insights with you. So, let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about gear that's just not tough, but practically indestructible. We've got equipment that's built to last, saving you both money and the hassle of constant replacements. Imagine a gym that's a stronghold of durability. That's what we're aiming for. Now, when it comes to inclusivity, we've got it covered. From the little tykes to the seasoned pros, our curated collection ensures everyone finds their perfect match. Let's turn your park gym into a welcoming haven for all age groups and skill levels. But it's not just about the gear, it's about the bigger picture. Physical education isn't just a class, it's a powerhouse for growth. We're talking improved grades, boosted cognitive function, and enhanced mental health. Now let's inject some excitement back into gym class. Dodgeball, scooter hockey, kickball, we got the classics, and a few surprises up our sleeves. Let's turn gym class into a thrilling adventure, creating memories that last a lifetime. As for a gym layout, we're not just designing a gym, we're creating an arena where dreams come alive. When it comes to workout spaces, start small and dream big. Our equipment covers endurance, strength, balance, and flexibility. It's time to craft a workout space that caters to every fitness fanatic. And of course, who can't forget? Safety first. Divider curtains, wall padding, and effective signage are your team's defensive line. And when the game ends, our racks and carts swoop in for a seamless cleanup. Safety and efficiency, a winning combination. Proper storage solutions are the heroes of any gym. Racks and carts not only prevent clutter, but contribute to maintaining a professional and inviting space. It's all about creating an organized environment that keeps everyone in the game. And there you have it, folks. Think this video persuades you enough to turn your park gym into a fitness fiesta? Contact us for top-notch equipment and expert advice. Let's make fitness fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, I'm Sergio Hernandez from AAA State of Play. Stay fit and stay fabulous.